Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll need to download the official Roblox app from your device's app store. Whether you're on iOS or Android, search for Roblox and tap the download button. Make sure it's the official app with the Roblox logo. Step 2. Once the app is installed, open it and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one with your email and password. Remember your login credentials because you'll need them every time. Step 3. After logging in, tap on the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. This opens your account settings and options. Look for a section that says Roblox or Account Settings to find the redemption option. Step 4. Navigate to the Redeem section by scrolling through the menu. You should see a Redeem Gift Card or Add Funds option. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can enter your gift card code. Step 5. Enter your gift card code carefully into the designated field. The code is usually on the back of the physical card, or in your email if you purchased a digital card. After entering the code, press Confirm or Redeem, and your Robux will be added instantly to your account balance.